Philippines ay kasi kay Jose Rizal. Si Magellan ay napunta sa Pilipinas noong 1521.
Yes.
After Magellan went there, Lapu-Lapu killed Magellan. After the death of Magellan, the Spaniards heard the death of Magellan and sent soldiers there led by Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. After their mission was to colonize the Philippines, a lot of years go by, and like the Filipinos there were working non-stop. One day, one writer named Jose Rizal wrote the awful things about the Spaniards and the rules about them. After the Spaniards heard that Jose Rizal was talking like something bad or like writing bad about them, they went there to execute Jose Rizal. After that, the Filipinos found out. They got really angry and enraged, which led them to fight with the Spain. Spaniards. Then after that led to the first Philippines Revolution. The name of the Philippines was originated by Philip the First. And that's all.
Wow, that's good. You make me proud.